YouTube just released a new way to live stream, and I wanted to share it with you.
YouTube Simplified.
Hi, and welcome to Creator Fundamentals. My name is Dan Courier, and it is my mission to simplify YouTube so you and I can grow together. So you may have seen over the last few days that YouTube has released a new way to live stream. It may be even easier depending on what you're looking to do, so I wanted to share it with you and let you decide. So for those of you who have ever done a live stream on mobile, this interface may seem familiar to you, but now it's available on desktop. All right, so we're gonna head over to the computer in just a moment to take a look at it, but I just wanted to share a few more details that I thought were interesting. For one, it's available in the Chrome browser on the new version of YouTube, and when you click on the upload button, or what used to be an upload button, now it looks like a camera with a plus on it, you actually get multiple choices within that area. So instead of just having the upload option in that drop down, you now have one that says go live, just like it does on the mobile version for anybody who has more than 25 subscribers. All right, so another cool thing I heard about this, but I haven't been able to verify personally yet, is that this feature is available on the Chrome browser on Chromebooks. So for those of you who have a Chromebook, you may now be able to use it to go live on YouTube. So I definitely want to hear from you guys and know whether any of you have used the live function from the desktop that they recently added. Let me know what your experience has been and whether you think it is something that you will use again. Now, there are going to be some differences between using that go live functionality that's built right into the browser or using something like OBS. OBS is obviously going to give you some additional ability and functionality to customize exactly how your live stream looks. Like if in my situation where I have a background here that kind of creates the illusion that you see behind me, OBS may still be the way to go for you, but if you just need a simple interface to get live and talk to your audience, you can definitely give the browser version a try.
All right, so real quick, I just want to hop on the Chrome browser, pull up your channel in the new mode of YouTube or the new layout, and you will see up here where it used to just simply be an upload icon, we now have this little camera with a plus on it. So if you click on that, it's going to bring you to a new drop-down menu. One of the options is to go live. Now from here, it's going to look very similar to what the mobile version looks like. If you can see, it's activated my camera in the background. You can see me back here, and then you create a title like you would, and you can set it to public. If you intend for people to actually see your live stream, you have more options down here, which basically show you the camera selection, your microphone selection. It shows you what your actual description looks like, so make sure that's all filled out the way you want it. And also you have some advanced settings, monetization on or off, whether or not there's a paid ad placement within the video itself, and some other things if you want to disable chat or identify your video as needing an age restriction. All right, so from here, we're going to click next, and this is going to set us up to take a thumbnail for the live stream. As you'll see when we click it, we get the opportunity. In this case, I've already done a test one, so we can click on retake. It'll do a countdown, and then you can pose for your actual thumbnail. Once you're happy with that, you can hit go live and you're good to go. Again, if you don't like it or you want to do something custom, you can click on custom upload and upload your thumbnail of choice. So I just wanted to give you a quick peek at that and show you basically what it looks like to walk through that process of utilizing the new go live functionality right from your browser.
I think one of the biggest things this feature does is expand the ability to live stream out to a lot more people who may not have been able to do it otherwise. I do understand that they are going to work on expanding this to other browsers, but for now, it's something that you can use with the Chrome browser, which I think a lot of people use now anyway. It'll be interesting to see how they continue to develop this functionality of being able to go live right from a browser without any extra software, and how people will use that to their advantage for their YouTube channels. And you know, some people may choose to use both. Maybe you're going to do the full OBS backdrop with the bells and whistles for your regularly scheduled live streams, but maybe you want to pop in with your audience every once in a while for just a quick update, and that may be a way that people start to implement the use of the go live from the browser. So all in all, it really looks like YouTube is working really hard on expanding the ability for everybody to be able to go live on YouTube, and it's exciting to see where they take that technology. And hey, this video is sponsored by TUBEBUDDY. TUBEBUDDY is the #1 browser plugin for managing and growing your YouTube channel. It's available to download for free, and there's a link in the description below. I hope you found this video helpful. If you would like to continue to receive notifications on videos that help simplify YouTube, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and you've clicked that bell notification icon so you don't miss a thing. That's all the time we have for today. My name is Dan Courier, and you're watching Creator Fundamentals. Thank you.